Hi, I'm Suzu and sorry if the video was too fast. I will fix it in the next video, but hope you enjoyed it. I really recommend you bake this bread because it's so lemon. You know, like if you want to try something different to what you usually bake for, please try it. It's very lemon, as I said. It feels like a lemon tart or lemon cream cheesecake. I don't know what it calls, like what's the good name for it, but it's definitely worth to try. So I think lemon makes it difficult for the dough to rise, but it definitely will because I saw it happen. I'm not a professional baker, that's why I use many, like the big amount of lemon, because I wanted the lemon flavor. I wanted it to be very distinctive. But if you worry about something, like if you worry about the pH, like something, don't worry about it. It definitely rises and tasty as hell. Okay, so until the next video. See you soon!